What's up mga boss? So, sa ngayon, iba ulit tayo ng ating topic. So, nasa how to tayo. Okay, so, ngayon, I will show you how to upload or how to create a quiz in the model, as well as how to upload bulk questions or multiple questions in the model. Okay, so this is my model account. Okay, so before I will go to my courses, of course, okay, click edit mode, okay, then my courses. So right now I am enrolled to several courses, so I'll just give you an example for like this. Okay, so unit 152. Okay, so I will just create an activity here, which is the quiz. Okay, so add an activity or resource. Okay, then if I will click this one, so I have various or different functions here, but in this way, in this case, I'll just create a quiz. Okay, so quiz. Okay, so let's say I will name the quiz as, let's say, S1. Okay, so description, let's say week 1. Okay, or session 1 short quiz. Okay, so timing, it's up to you if you are going to enable it with a specific time. Okay, so in this case, I'll just leave it like this. I will also put my time limit, so enable, so let's say 30 minutes, okay, or let's say 5 minutes. Then your grading, okay, so let's say attempts allowed, so I'll just limit it to 1. Okay, then since I'll just create one sample, so in this case no need to put the grade to pass. Okay, but if you want 50%, it's up to you. Okay, then okay, so the rest I will just create another video, okay, for the other functions. Okay, so I'll now save and display. Okay, so save and display. Okay, so in this case I already have the quiz test 1. Okay, so what will I do next? Okay, so I will now create my question inside this test 1. Okay, so from the question function, of course, okay, I can add from here. Okay, so let's say maximum grade 100%. Okay, so a new question, of course. Okay, so first I will show you how to create a new questions. Okay, so multiple choice. Okay, okay, so default, so category. Okay, so anyway, I'll just make it like this. Okay, then again, question name. So for example, question number 1, what is the oldest city of the Philippines? Okay, question name. Okay, I can say, or let's say history. Okay, so let's say my courses. Okay, then the question text here. Okay, so what is the oldest city of the Philippines? Okay, so this is my question. Okay, in the Philippines, sorry, what is the oldest city in the Philippines? So default mark, okay, is 1 point because 1 questions. Okay, so no need. Okay, 1 answer only. Okay, if I want to shuffle the choices, it's okay. So number of choices, ABC, or if you want, okay, it's up to you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, or ABC. So I will stay as ABC since I will create. This is a multiple choice question. Okay, so answer 1. So grade. So let's say I'll just make this one as none because the first choice, okay, maybe let's say Manila, which is not the correct answer. Okay, then choice number 2, let's say San Carlos. Okay, again, none. Why? Because not the correct answer. Okay, then, okay, choice number 3, let's say Cebu. Okay, which is now the correct answer. So I will put this one as 100%. Okay, so let's say the choice 4, okay, let's say Romblon. Okay, again, this is not the correct answer, so I will make this one as none. Okay, so and so on. If you want more choices, it's up to you. Okay, then save changes. Don't forget to save your changes. Okay, so I already have the questions. Okay, so again, 100. Let's say 100%. Okay, save. Okay. So after that, I'll just go now to my quiz, okay, to preview the quiz, okay. So since I created the time limit, okay, so there we go, okay. This is the multiple choice questions uploading in the model for one questions. How about if we have, or if we need to upload bulk questions, okay. So let's go back to general. Okay, general section. Okay, so let's say I will create another quiz. Okay, so let's say test 2. Okay, so bulk questions. CQ. Okay, so save for me to create the quiz. Okay, so we have now test 2. Okay, next is to create your multiple choice questions, your bulk questions. So in this case, I already created a sample. Okay, so from my quizzes, so let's use this 151 week 1 quiz. So I created it in the Word file. Okay, in icon format. Okay, so we call this one in icon format. This is very important format, okay, in uploading bulk questions. Okay, so obviously, okay, you can create your questions, you can add numbers here. Okay, for me, no need to add this in, I could reshuffle it. Okay, and then this is very important. Okay, so ABC. Okay, you can also use the numerical or the Roman numbers. Okay, and of course the answer here should be capital letters. Okay, so this is in icon format. Okay, so this icon format cannot yet directly upload in the model. So what will I do here is, okay, save as. Okay, so I'll make sure that's the same file name. Okay, then instead of work document, now I will save this one as plain text. Okay, after saving it in as save type as plain text, so save. Okay, then other recording. Okay, then no need to click anything here. Okay, so just other recording or other encoding, then select Unicode UTF-8. Okay, then okay, so we'll go back now to the folder. Okay, so I have already 151 week 1 quiz 1 in text file. Okay, so this is the Word file, this is the text file. So the text file now, okay, this is the document that we will be uploading in the model. Okay, let's go back to the model. Okay, so question bank. Okay, so I will create a category to separate this type of quiz to the other quizzes. Okay, so that the questions will not be mixed. Okay, so questions, categories. So I already created, okay, the quiz. So I will just use the test 2, default for test 2. Okay, then question bank, import. Okay, so icon format, then choose a file, choose. Okay, so I'll go now to the file. Okay, so quizzes, assignment. Okay, so 151 week 1 quiz 1 in text document. Okay, then open. Then okay, no need to put anything here. This is already in default. Okay, so upload this file. Okay, then import. So if there's no more error, you can notice here it's in green. Okay, however, if there isn't any error, so it will prompt the error here and a red. Okay, a red highlight. Okay, and then so I already have my question bank, so I'll go now to my question. Okay, so let's say I'll do this one as 100% again. Save. So this one is in percent. Okay, and now add. Okay, so previously we selected the new question, but in this time, okay, so we will be using from question bank. Okay, so we'll select the category now. Okay, so this one default for test 2. These numbers means to say I have 10 questions. Okay, in this category. Okay, then apply filters. Then okay, instead of selecting individually, I'll just click this one. Okay, to make it automatically select all. Okay, then add selected questions to the quiz. Here we go. Okay, so we have total marks. So we have 10 questions. Okay, equivalent to 100%. So the reason why I did not put number 1 or the numbering is for me to shuffle the questions. Okay, so if you want to shuffle it or not, okay, it's up to you. Okay, but in this case, I would like to shuffle the questions. Okay, then I'll now use the quiz function here to preview, okay, the quiz or the test 2. Okay, so bulk MCQ is our description, preview quiz. Okay, so here we go. So we have 10 questions. Okay, so this is the navigation. Okay, so if I want to go to question number 2, I'll just select this one. Okay, so here we go. So one page, okay, one page per questions. If we want one questions in a page or in a layout, or if we want 2 questions, 3 questions, we can just go back to the settings. Okay, then layout. Okay, so every questions, or if we want, as I said, so 10 questions, so we have total of 10 questions, then save and display. Okay, for any changes, don't forget to save it. And then preview quiz. Then in one layout, I have the full 10 questions. Okay, so if you have further questions, clarifications, inquiry, okay, so just give me a comment in the comment section. Okay, so thank you.
I love you.